Introducing the sleek and powerful 2025 Volkswagen Golf R-line 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower. This estate beauty in grey has only 22 to 65 kilometres on the clock and boasts a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission. Loaded with top-of-the-line comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, cruise control, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning and many more. With luxurious interior touches, advanced security features, and stylish exterior elements like privacy glass and a spoiler, this Golf R-line is truly exceptional. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information today. Drive in style and peace of mind with the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R-line 2.0 TDI.